Get ready to be amazed as we delve into the mysteries of the universe with some of the most incredible discoveries made by scientists in space. From mind-bending black holes to stunning supernovas, this video is sure to leave you in awe of the wonders of our cosmos. So, prepare to have your mind blown by the shocking revelations that await you. Super Earth. You won't believe this. In 2017, a bunch of smart folks led by A. Suarez Mascareño found a mega cool exoplanet with a mass nearly 3 times that of Earth. Yeah, you heard that right. And no, it's not a new superhero movie or something. It's a real planet out there in the vastness of space. They used some fancy gear called HARPS and spectrograph of the Telescopio Nacional Galileo off the coast of Spain to spot this super Earth about 21 light years away. What's even crazier is that this bad boy orbits its M-dwarf star in just 2 weeks. No wonder scientists are totally pumped about these types of planets and are keeping their eyes peeled for any signs of life out there. Ice volcanoes. NASA's Dawn mission back in 2015 found this huge, volcano-looking mountain hanging out near the equator of the dwarf planet Ceres. The team dubbed it Ahuna Mons, and it's no ordinary volcano. It's a cryovolcano. That means it spews out freezing, salty water mixed with mud instead of the hot molten rock we see on Earth. I mean, we always thought of volcanoes as being hot and fiery, but these ones are cold and icy. How cool is that? Pun intended, of course. Crazy, right? This finding is a game changer for our understanding of the universe and shows us just how much more we have to learn. Liquid-filled canyons on Titan. In 2013, NASA's Cassini spacecraft uncovered something epic on Saturn's moon Titan: deep canyons. These canyons are almost half a mile wide and filled with liquid hydrocarbon, making them look just like the Grand Canyon. This was huge news because it's the first time we've ever found proof of liquid-filled channels and canyons on Titan. I mean, who knew a moon could be so wild? This discovery has opened up a whole new world of possibilities for exploring the universe and finding out what else is out there. Potentially habitable planets. Scientists have discovered some potentially habitable planets out there in the universe. Yeah, you heard that right. I mean, could you imagine what kind of life could be thriving in those distant worlds? It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. And who knows, maybe one day we'll actually be able to explore them and find out for ourselves. Ross 128b. One such planet was discovered back in 2017. A team led by Xavier Bonfa from the Institute of Planetology and Astrophysics of Grenoble and the University of Grenoble-Alpes in France discovered a super cool exoplanet that's about the same size as Earth. The planet, called Ross 128b, is so close to our solar system that it could be the closest potentially habitable planet ever found. Can you imagine what it would be like to visit another Earth-like planet? Well, maybe you won't have to imagine in the near future. LP-890-9C. In 2022, a team of international scientists led by the University of Liege in Belgium made another epic discovery: a new exoplanet called LP-890-9C, aka Speculoos 2c. This is another super Earth-like planet, and get this, it might have conditions that are perfect for supporting life. Sure, it's a little farther away than Ross 128b, and it's about 40% bigger than Earth, but it orbits way closer to its sun. The thing is, its sun is more than 6 times smaller than ours, and half the temperature. So experts reckon that there's a good chance conditions that support life could be thriving there. Man, the universe is so wild. Who knows what else we'll find out there? Ultramassive black holes. Did you know that black holes are like the ultimate vacuum cleaners of space? When a star dies, it can create one of these invisible beasts that suck in everything, even light, with their crazy strong gravitational pull. Recently, NASA's Chandra X-ray telescope blew our minds by discovering some ultra-massive black holes that are a whopping 10 times bigger than we originally thought. And get this, they're growing faster than the stars in their galaxies. This mind-blowing news came from some astrophysicists at the University of Montreal and the Institute of Space Sciences in Spain. They studied 72 galaxies that all had supermassive black holes in the center, which, FYI, is pretty much the norm for most galaxies. I mean, can you even imagine the power of something like that? Portal to fifth dimension. Have you ever wondered if there are other dimensions beyond our own? Well, brace yourself and get ready to have your mind blown, because the scientific community has just announced an unprecedented breakthrough that could turn science fiction into reality. Scientists have reportedly discovered a portal to the fifth dimension, a realm beyond our four-dimensional universe that was previously thought to be purely theoretical. Deep within the hallowed halls of Johann Gutenberg University, Maine, two theoretical physicists, Javier Castellano and Matthias Neubert, are hard at work on a groundbreaking new study. They are on the hunt for a hypothetical particle that could be the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. This particle, called fermion, can possibly act as a portal to a warped fifth dimension, one that mediates the cosmic realms of light and dark. It's a bold ambition, but these scientists are undaunted, driven by their passion for discovery and their unquenchable curiosity. The implications of this discovery are staggering and could fundamentally alter our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Collision of neutron stars. Did you hear about the cosmic showdown that went down in 2017? Some mad scientists captured the collision of two neutron stars, which are basically the result of a dying star collapsing in on itself. And you won't believe what they found out. These high-octane crashes don't just create gnarly gravitational waves that cause a ripple in space-time, they also produce heavy elements like gold and platinum. I mean, that's some serious bling right there. Who knew that something so destructive could also be so beautiful? It just goes to show that there's always more to discover out there in the great beyond. Alcohol-spewing comet. Alcohol? In space? Yes, you heard that right! In 2015, scientists discovered that Comet Lovejoy was basically spitting out alcohol. The same kind of ethyl alcohol that we humans like to enjoy in our adult beverages. The team, led by Nicolas Biver of the Paris Observatory in France, found 21 different organic molecules in the comet's trail, including a type of sugar. This discovery adds to the evidence that comets could have contained the essential ingredients for creating life. Who knows, maybe there are alien bartenders out there mixing up some cosmic cocktails. Cosmic microwave background. Picture this. 13.8 billion years ago, the universe came to life with a massive explosion we now call the Big Bang. But what happened next? Well, thanks to the cosmic microwave background, or CMB, we have a glimpse of the heat left behind about 400,000 years after the Big Bang. Although it's too cold for our eyes to see, scientists have captured the CMB radiation on the microwave part of the electromagnetic spectrum. The discovery of the CMB was first made in 1965 by researchers at Bell Telephone Laboratories. But in 2013, scientists used the European Space Agency's Planck satellite to measure radiation and get the clearest picture yet of the universe's birth. Star-sucking black holes. Who knew that a black hole could have such a big appetite? In 2015, scientists were astounded by the ASCEN 15LH tidal disruption event, which released a light 20 times brighter than the entire Milky Way. They initially thought it was a supernova, but further investigation led by Yorgos Leloudas from the Weizmann Institute of Science in Israel revealed that it was a dying star that was devoured by a supermassive black hole. What's even more interesting is that this spinning black hole was able to draw in outside celestial bodies, unlike stationary ones that can only affect stars within their event horizon. These findings have left scientists with more questions than answers about the mysterious star-sucking capabilities of black holes. Sun twins. Did you know that almost all stars, like our sun, come in pairs? A 2017 study by scientists from the University of California and the Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory revealed that sun-like stars have a twin, including our very own star. It's believed that our sun's sibling, nicknamed Nemesis, might have wandered off millions of years ago, leaving our sun to shine solo. Little hope for these twins to find each other ever again. Ice on Mars. Hold on to your spacesuits. The latest discovery from Mars is in, and it's all about ice. That's right! Scientists have found evidence of frozen water on the red planet, and it's got us all giddy like a kid in a candy store. I mean, think about it. Water is essential for life as we know it, and if there's water on Mars, who knows what kind of secrets and surprises are waiting for us to uncover? In 2016, a group of scientists led by Cassie Sturman from the Institute of Geophysics at the University of Texas uncovered an enormous ice layer beneath the surface of the red planet. This massive layer is larger than the state of New Mexico and could be the key to future exploration. The best part? The ice is buried just under 3 to 33 feet of soil, making it a potentially accessible spot for us Earthlings to check out. Water on the Moon. NASA made an amazing discovery in 2020. There's water on the sunlit surface of the moon. It's like the lunar surface has been keeping secrets from us this whole time. Although scientists had already found ice on the moon's north and south poles in 2018, the confirmation of water molecules has expanded our understanding of the moon's potential to support human exploration and maybe even colonization. How did they make this incredible discovery? Using NASA's Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, or SOFIA, a modified Boeing 747 SP jetliner with a telescope so powerful it can detect the wavelength of water molecules. SOFIA detected the water molecules in the Clavius crater on the moon, adding another fascinating layer to the mystery of the lunar surface. Fiery exoplanet. Check out this hot discovery. Kepler-78b, an exoplanet discovered by researchers from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in 2013, orbits its star in just 8.5 hours. This blazing hot planet is so close to its star that it could be covered in molten rock. Imagine that! It's even closer to its star than Mercury is to the Sun. Scientists are still puzzled about how this fiery planet formed so close to its star. Monster Galaxy. Imagine a galaxy that's a true monster. Cosmos Aztec 1. It's a cosmic powerhouse capable of producing stars at a mind-blowing rate that's 1,000 times faster than our own Milky Way. But how does it do it? Well, that's what a team of international scientists set out to discover in 2018. Led by Dr. Kenichi Taraki from the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan, they used the Atacama Large Millimeter Submillimeter Array Telescope in Chile to map out this enigmatic galaxy. What they found was a gravitationally unstable gas disk, which is likely responsible for the galaxy's incredible star-forming prowess. Their findings could help unlock the secrets of galaxy formation and pave a way for future discoveries in the field. Oil and gas on Saturn's moon. Low on gas? Struggling to fill up your tank due to high prices? Well, I bet you didn't know that Saturn's biggest moon, Titan, is swimming in a sea of liquid hydrocarbons. That's right! NASA's Cassini spacecraft discovered that Titan has methane, ethane, and other organic goodies on its surface that are formed by carbon-containing compounds. And get this, one of the energy-rich lakes on Titan has more liquid hydrocarbons than all of Earth's oil and gas reserves combined. Can you even imagine how much fuel that is? I bet living on Saturn's moon doesn't sound too scary now. Jupiter's 79 moons. Guess what? Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system, is hogging all the moons. Back in 2017, a team led by Scott Shepard from the Carnegie Institution for Science was on the lookout for a massive planet, but instead, they stumbled upon something even cooler. Using the Victor Blanco telescope in Chile, they spotted a whopping 12 new moons orbiting Jupiter. With those new discoveries, Jupiter's total number of moons has shot up to an astronomical 79. That's more moons than any other planet in our solar system. Talk about being popular. First photograph of a black hole. You won't believe what happened on April 10th, 2019. We finally got a glimpse of a black hole, thanks to a team of over 200 genius researchers who made the impossible possible. Until then, most people thought that black holes were invisible to the naked eye, but this team coordinated a global network of telescopes to create a virtual Earth-sized telescope, which captured the very first picture of a supermassive black hole at the center of the M87 galaxy, which is located over 55 million light years away from us. And guess what? A brilliant computer scientist named Katie Bowman, who was only 29 at the time, led the development of the algorithm that made this breakthrough possible. So, not only did we finally get to see a black hole, but we also witnessed a true genius in action. CO2 detected outside our solar system. In 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope made a mind-blowing discovery: the first ever evidence of carbon dioxide on a planet outside our solar system. This exoplanet, known as WASP-39b, is a toasty gas giant that was first spotted way back in 2011. Finding out what makes up a planet's atmosphere can give us some serious intel into its history and how it's been changing over time. And let's be real, it's just plain awesome to know that we're one step closer to unlocking the secrets of the universe beyond our little corner of the galaxy. Stars born in the pillars of creation. Prepare to have your mind blown, space enthusiasts! You know that stunning image of the pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula that's been one of the Hubble Space Telescope's most iconic pictures? Well, turns out there was a whole lot more happening inside those massive clouds of gas and dust that we couldn't see before. That is, until the James Webb Space Telescope came along with its fancy infrared imaging technology and revealed a jaw-dropping sight. Brace yourself for this. The pillars are home to a ton of protostars in the process of being born. You can spot these tiny red dots amidst the smoky background of the pillars, and each one is made up of collections of dust and gas that are many times larger than our entire solar system. It's like watching the miracle of life happen right before our eyes, and it's just too beautiful for words. The ultra-rare planet in Orion's nose. Scientists have discovered something totally mind-blowing: a planet that orbits not one, not two, but 3 stars at the same time. And where is this incredible world located? On the tip of Orion's nose, of course. The star system in question, GW Orionis, is located about 1,300 light years from us and looks like a massive target in the sky with 3 dusty rings nestled inside each other. And at the center of all this cosmic beauty are 3 stars, 2 of which are stuck in a tight dance together, while the third orbits them from a distance. Now, a group of researchers have analyzed data to prove that the misaligned wobbling of these rings can only be explained by the presence of a massive Jupiter-sized planet inside one of the rings. If they're right, this would be the first circumtriple planet ever detected in the universe, giving Tatooine, Luke Skywalker's home planet with its famous double suns, a real run for its money. Just hope Orion doesn't sneeze and send it all flying. A mystery hut on the far side of the moon. How about a little lunar mystery to pique your interest? China's Yutu-2 rover recently spotted a cube-shaped object jutting out above the horizon on the far side of the moon. The curious hut has sparked wild speculation about its origins. Is it a remnant of an ancient civilization, or just another boring boulder? It's up to you two to investigate and bring back the scoop. It'll be a few months before we get any answers, but until then, let's keep our eyes on the skies and our minds open to the possibilities. Interstellar meteor visits our cosmic neighborhood. Remember that rock that fell from the sky back in 2014? Well, get ready for this. It's from outside our solar system. That's right, an interstellar meteor, one of the rarest space specimens known to man. Scientists have been putting the pieces of this puzzle together all year and just recently announced the discovery in a US Space Command document. This interstellar traveler crashed into Earth along the northeast coast of Papua New Guinea, leaving us scratching our heads in wonder. But now we know it's a piece of something far bigger, a reminder of the vastness and mystery of the universe. And who knows, maybe there are more interstellar visitors out there just waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content, and let us know in the comments which discovery impressed you the most. See you in the next video.